Hello and welcome back. Today I will tell you about the important thing which if we lose we cannot get back. If you lose your money, you can earn money. If you damage your health, you can recover and get your health back. If you lose your job, you can find another job. But the only thing which you cannot get back is the time. So today I will speak on the time. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Thank you.
To better understand the value of the time, I give here some examples. Day and night concept is with the time. Yesterday, day today, and tomorrow concept is with the time. Time is present, which is passing. The moments we have passed was the time. The future which will come will be the time. We cannot stop the time. Whatever we do in our daily life routine, we spend our time in it. When we sleep, we spend our time. When we awake, we spend our time. When we go for food or eat, we spend our time. When we go for play, we spend our time. We go to school, college, we spend our time. We watch TV, we spend our time. We go out with the friends, we spend our time. We go out for shopping, we spend our time. We travel, we spend time. We go to work, we spend time. We use mobile, we spend time, and we drive, we spend time. We sit with family, children, we spend time. And when we do nothing, we waste our time. So anything we do, it needs time. All our daily life routine works with the time. So now it's our choice how we use it. It is very precious thing which we give or spend with anyone. To achieve any target or profession, people spend time on it. Doctors give time to medical study, become a doctor. Politicians, engineers, scientists, even any field. People choose and give time to specific field to achieve the target. Any business we do, we spend time on it. So it is very important for us that how we manage out the time. How we can use our time in good way. Nearly all things in the world work with the time. All offices work with the time. All the flights in the world work with the time. Buses, trains, all public transport work with the time. Any social, domestic, public or work meeting arranged with the time. We meet with friends or anyone with the time. Sunrise with the time, sunset with the time. The time is the universal and natural measurement. Time is the unit as well, which is used in audio, video, mechanical, electrical, and many other parameters. Nearly all technology work and set by the time. Teacher teaches with the time and student learn with the time. People who follow time, they get success. Like if you reach on time on bus or train station, you will get bus or train. It will be no wrong if I say full word is work with the time. All humans follow time in this world. The system of this world cannot work without time. Time is defining measurement as well. All history defines by the time. All our present, even in a day, morning, noon, afternoon, and evening defines time. In a year, 12 months, 52 weeks, 365 days defines the time. In the day, there are 24 hours. Each hour, there are 60 minutes. And each minute has 60 seconds. Each second which pass defines the time. Childhood, teenage, young and old, all these categories shows different era of the time. Time is unseen teacher as well. People who do not follow time, time teach them lesson. Our starting point is the time. Our reaching or destination point is the time as well. I have given very brief description about the time here, just because people should give value to the time and should think how they can manage the time in all these things. Time doesn't stop for someone, and we follow time, it never follow us. Time is not the friend of anyone. So wise people, use it wisely and try not to waste the time. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Bye.